Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Hi. Oh my gosh. I am here. I am present. Oh my God. And I picked a totally new area to film today. And just because I picked the deck, because just gonna scroll down. We got a new outdoor rug. I have my pink mat. We just got our furniture, which I'm so excited about. Let me just go up, sorry about that. And it's beautiful out. It's about 65 degrees right now. It's still a little chilly for me because I don't like the cold at all. And I got the house to myself. Hubs just ran out to go pick up his worker, and he had a doctor's appointment, and I just wanted to see how everybody is doing. And I have my tea, everybody. So make sure you go and grab your teas. Everything is linked below. You know I drink today's Egyptian licorice, which I love. It's just soothing, it's calm. The squirrels are out running, adorable. They're playing together. I wish I could flip the camera right now, but by the time I do that, they will be gone. And everything is in full bloom right now. I'm just so excited to be outside. Let's see. So yes, there's a new furniture. I'm very happy. I love the black piping and the beige, and we're still not done decorating because then we get all the plants and the greenery will be over here, and then you guys are gonna love it when you see it, how I decorate. And this side we'll have some more plants, and then we have our elephant ears. And I don't know if this will pan that way, but we have right there is our fire chimenea. Yep, as you can see it right there. And that's it, you know, and we're getting ready for our season. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to be outside. You guys know I love being outside. It was a long winter, long. So let's do a little, see now, if we sit like that, this kind of stretches, and we sit up straight and we say cheers, and let's drink some tea right now. Now, how many of you do drink tea? Because I love it. I drink it when I'm before I have my class. I drink it at night before I go to bed. I was telling you guys all about kava, so that's the best tea on earth. If you need help sleeping, I'm telling you that stuff will make you go into a nice zen mode. And today I'm wearing, today's outfit. Sorry, almost forgot about that, but let me drink a little, warm my insides. It's piping hot, so I definitely still has to steep a little bit more. All right, so today I wanted to feel a little more summery, so I'm just kind of so these are fun. These are just my pink tube, and I just have on a sheer skirt, my yoga skirt, and some briefs underneath. And this is a great little workout attire. I'll show you how it looks up. So again, very fun. And you know me, I like to be a little girly and have my outfits on. So someone was nice. I did yesterday's video, which filmed this morning, and some nice woman said to me, you should get some organic, there's a bee. It's a bumblebee. We love bumblebees. Get some organic cotton leggings. And I'm like, oh my God, that's like fantastic. I need to get a pair. So I've been on a hunt, but I need like 100% pure, organic cotton ones. So if anybody, hopefully she comes back and sees me, I would love to, if she has a link, or just tell me where to buy them, because I was going crazy today. and I will try those. So thank you for the insight on that. And if you're new to my page, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to the farm. We are here today we're filming on the deck. Okay, and our neighbor, you can hear some little tunes going on in the background. So they are busy working on that, turning that garage into, I gather, another apartment. So the birds are all out. Molly we're gonna have to go visit her later. But let's start with a little breathing. Let's get this day going. I already ran my errands. Oh, got my nails done. Did the nails, so my nails look all pretty. I have to get my little chain back on. Ah! Okay, all right, now we have that totally wasn't a bumblebee. Yeah. Oh my God, maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe I shouldn't be on the deck. I don't know. The grass was actually better. All right, we'll try this again. Sorry. It's definitely a yellow jacket, and he's by the camera. Okay. Let's twist a little bit. Twist out your back. Okay, let's reach over. And reach to the other side. Hang on, everybody. All right. Oh, and my mats are all linked in my Amazon storefront. These are Gaiam. They're the best. They're nice and thin, so I love them. And should we start with the little cat-cow and stretching? Yeah, I think that's a great idea because I need it. Oh, let's go. So let's go into cat. Let's go into child's pose a minute. And we'll kind of stay here for a second. Let's see. That's going up. I still have to learn. There we go. Oh, that sun feels so good beating down on my back. And up. Shake your hips out. So lower back is definitely an issue. And that's actually where my husband went today. He went to go see his doctor for his lower back. So we're gonna shift here and then shift to the other side. And we're gonna bring up our leg and let's get down on our forearms. Hold it. Hold it. And down. And stretch. Okay. Let's go into plank. Feet apart and hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Oh yeah. God, that was amazing. I don't know what it is. I just love the rush when you have like the blood flowing and you can feel it going through your body. So, we're starting to get our plants. I told you like a few weeks ago when we got our plants at Costco. I forgot, I'm just drawing a blank on my, but let me show you. I don't know if those right there, you can see the little flowers, they climb. Yeah, love those. We got to start planting. So, but you know, again, we have to wait till Mother's Day till I start, you know, and then I get all my herbs and okay. So what else? Oh, let's do the other side. I totally forgot. Sorry, got caught off guard with the, okay. All right, go down into child's pose and like that. Yes. Oh, and just keep it there a little bit. Listen to the birds. And up. And hip. Round out those hips. And stretch it to one side. And then do the other side. Okay. One more time. Oh. And down. There you go. Okay. Down on all four. Get down on your forearms and lift. Lift it high. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down. And again. Lift it high. Back down. And now we're going to sit a little. I want to sit so that you could cross your leg over, right? Oh. And take your right arm and push. And this just opens up everything along in your spine, your vertebrae, and you just push it out. I was thinking, since I love to wear different outfits, I wanted to see if y'all want to pick an outfit for me, for YouTube, obviously. I've had a lot of videos. I had a lot of people asking me about all my outfits because I love dressing up and what I could wear, what I can't wear. So if you have any requests, please put them down. That'll be fun. Also, I just want to say thank you for, I got a knot. Thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing, like and follow and subscribe, all of that. I mean, I can't thank you enough. The birds are going crazy. I should just like stay quiet and you can listen to all of this for like a half an hour. So we have crows and they come back every year. But let me just get back to my YouTube. Also, you can follow me on Patreon, and I appreciate everybody who has. I really am looking forward to the future on my YouTube channel, and this is something that I've always wanted to do, and I'm just so happy that I'm 1 month into it, and I feel like I am really progressing, and my dream is to hopefully, you know, my husband and I can work from home and instead of getting up at 4:30 in the morning. And I also work a full-time job, so it's been crazy. And kids and life. And I need to retire where I feel a little comfortable. So I'm going to keep showing up. I'm going to keep doing this. I am going to keep seeing you. I love everyone who has reached out to me, who's given me some advice on how to help me with my channel a little bit, because you know this is a little new, and that's pretty much it. So you know, I'm grateful for everything in my life. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be on the farm, and here come the turkeys. I don't know if you all saw any of our turkeys. When they herd here, we have about like 40 of them. Yes. So I feel like they're not too far away, so you might be able to get to see them. So let's see what happens. But, oh, that felt good. Now let's do the other side. Okay, switch up your legs. And then we're gonna, oh, they're there. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna stay quiet. Okay, put your arm on the outside and twist. Sit up straight. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera. I think they're coming into the yard. All right. I'm not gonna say anything because then I scare them off. All right, get ready. All right, so we have one. It's a female. She's looking at Molly in the other pen. I'm gonna turn it. Hi, everybody. You can see her now. She's over there with Molly. Yeah. Oh, God. She is looking for her man. Oh, she be loud. Let's see. All right, give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna pull it. Okay, anyway. Namaste. Okay, I will. Oh, she's hiding behind a tree. Anyway, I'm gonna get some footage on her, and then you guys tell me what you think. I'll see you